Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the active distance assist, the DISTRONIC. It's basically the adaptive cruise control that's in the Mercedes-Benz. This is a GLS 450, and I'm going to show you how to use it. It's not so intuitive. You may be wondering if your car actually has it. I will show you how to find it and how to use it. This is basically where all Mercedes uses their DISTRONIC, and basically it lets you keep the distance from the car in front of you in stop and go traffic without having to touch the brake or the gas. It's not fully autonomous, but it is helpful. So let's get to it. Okay, so currently we're in trip. So you want to hit the home key here, and that will bring up other options. So you want to scroll using this key. You want to scroll to the left all the way to assistance, okay? Click on this button again and you'll go into assistance. That is going to bring it up. So make sure you're in cruise control. So you want to turn the cruise control on like this, and you can set the speed using these buttons here. It'll let you set how far you want the car to be in front of you. And basically this is it. It's very easy to use. If you found that helpful, follow me for more.